Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today is a tutorial on how to boil your pasta for some cooking dishes that you need to use. So with that, I'm just going to show a little demo. So I have half a cup of macaroni, or pasta also is almost the same, but I'm using macaroni as a sample, and we'll see. And I believe many of you guys knows how to make this, but I'm just making this video for anyone who doesn't know how to boil the pasta properly. So this is my first ingredient, macaroni, half a cup. And my next ingredients are, I have some coconut oil, a little bit of salt, and some water. The package says every 100 grams for 1 liter of water, but I am not using all those measurements. I'm just going according to my eyeballing. So these are the 4 ingredients that you need: the macaroni, coconut oil, or you can use any oil if you want to, or even butter, and a little bit of salt. So let's see how this has been made. And now in a pot, I'll be adding the water, and we will have this water to come to a rolling boiling. I'm not sure how to say it. It has to come to a boil. Then we will add the macaroni. Dear viewers, and also now the water is boiling, as I mentioned earlier, and so now it's the time that we could add a little bit of salt. I'm not going to add too much, just a little bit, and I'm going to add the macaronis, and we will wait for it to boil approximately about 8 minutes. Dear viewers, it is already been 8 minutes, and now we could remove this from the stove and turn off the stove. It's time now to strain the water, the hot water, into a colander. And I'm transferring it to another bowl. And at this stage, I will be adding some oil. I'll be adding approximately about 2 teaspoons. I'm adding coconut oil. You may add any cooking oil or even butter. Butter would taste better, but that's up to you. And this is to prevent the macaronis to stick together or to cluster together. So we are doing this. And dear viewers, the macaroni is ready to be prepared as in your dish, whatever type of dish that you would like to do, the Italian style or Spanish or however. So this is my version of just the tutorial on preparing the macaroni. So I hope you like this video, and please do share with your friends and whoever you know. And also for those who are new, welcome aboard, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And you are welcome to verify to check the other videos that we have. And I'm going to make my next video will be from this macaroni that I will be making a dish. So stay tuned and we'll see what is the next dish I'm going to make. Till then, bye bye.